All right, the wife's got to go to work, so we're about to see, because it's too damn cold and I'm too damn tired, to see if stock MDX is gonna make it through that driveway that Snowdrifts. Kind of give you an example, I'll flip the camera around. We tried a little bit last night and it didn't do bad, but it gets much deeper up that way. And I haven't officially measured yet. It is still snowing and she's got to try to make it to work. So we're gonna see. My foot's not even touching the bottom of the driveway right now. This is up almost to my knee. Yep, this is up to my knee. And this is packed pretty tight. I don't think she's gonna make it through it, but we'll see. I ain't trying to shovel all this right now. Well, I'm surprised she made it out, and actually really easy. I'll get an official measurement of how deep that was up there, but TV kind of thins out up here, but then you can just see, look at that, right over here. Let me back up. And honestly, that thing plowed through like a champ. I mean, it didn't even struggle, even going up the road in that VMT4. It was no problem. So I can't even keep up anymore with what all was fresh snow and what was drift. But I can tell you this driveway was completely plowed before this last snowstorm that just hit this past 2 days. And right now that is up to 26 inches. Probably up to 28 right here on the edge. Now the snowplow did go by and push some, but this is pretty much all what it was in drift. All down. And we broke through earlier to get the car out. And this is just since 9 o'clock this morning. Tracks are almost completely covered. This is crazy. Finally, this guy came to the rescue. I need one of these bad.